Have you ever wondered where the first DNA came from? At the very beginning, when there was no other life, it is easy to see that your DNA originally came half from your mother and half from your father. And the same happened for your parents and with their parents and so on. This process of making new molecule by copying another existing molecule is a process as old as origin itself. And by origin, I mean the origin of life. So the question of the origin of life might be easily addressed by finding if it is possible to create a new molecule without any template. Well, when you look at nature, you find at least one class of enzymes that does exactly the same. These are long peptide molecules made of a string of amino acids that sequester other amino acids and stitch them together to make new peptides, creating this little cycle of molecular life. These enzymes are called non-ribosomal peptide synthetases, or NRPS in short. I'm Dr. Raktim Roy, a former Scripps Fellow and a current research assistant professor at UF Scripps Biomedical Research in Florida. Our lab studies these enzymes and their unique products that might help us fight against the emergence of drug resistance, which is rampant across the world, and help us win the war against the microbes. We find so many deaths every day from bacteria, from fungi, and pathogenicity everywhere. My current team consists of one grad student, Brittany Wheatley, who is doing her doctorate research under my guidance to better understand these molecules. Over the last few years, we have had several bright young students as a part of our team, and many of them currently excelling at other universities. They had to move because I don't have any more funds. I wish I had the funds to host more students and give them a glimpse of what research life is like, inspire them to become the next generation of scientists, and train them as experts in the field. But as it happens, we are running out of funds. Scripps just went through a merger with University of Florida, and I have been notified that my appointment will not be continued. It is sad and unfortunate as we lost 2 of our productive years to the SARS-CoV-2 pandemic, and the merger right after brought the hammer down on my research prospects at this institute. So, unconventional as it is, I'm asking you for a helping hand, a friendly support. Please help us with any donations that you can make. Ask your friends too. Please help us keep the dream alive. We need about $250,000 for 2 years of operation of successful research. That's equivalent to one single federally funded grant. Even if less than 0.1% of the US contributes one single dollar each, we can continue our exploration of the unknown. I can maintain my research and make sure that my first graduate student goes through with her PhD without any barrier. You can help us reach this goal. Please throw us a lifeline. Please go to www.theroylab.org for more information, or follow us on Twitter at @TheRoyLab. Thank you very much for your support.